Hey, welcome in. Today we are making fish tacos. Perfectly simple and delicious fish tacos. I love fish, and together, probably one of my favorite things. And I'm starting with a couple big fillets of mahi. Now you can use any firm white fish. You could use cod, you could use halibut. If you use something like, say, tilapia, I would recommend not cutting it in chunks because tilapia is thinner, but a firm white fish like this works perfectly every time. And I'm just going to cut it kind of in bite-sized chunks. It will also cook very quickly. I'm going to prepare it in my Ninja Foodie on the air fry setting today because it is way too hot to be using my oven. So my fish is going into this little bowl right here on the side. And then I'm going to simply coat it with one of my favorite things. So my fish just needs a tablespoon or so of, this is a really good taco seasoning blend. My friend Sarah gave me the recipe and I have been quadrupling it ever since. I just keep it on hand in my cupboard and it's ready to go. And you know, how often do I need a taco seasoning type blend for things I make? All the time. It's really good for like a pound of ground meat that you just put it in there. And I need a little bit of salt because I don't usually put salt in my spice blends. So I salt things individually as I feel that I need them. And so just going like that and coating it really well. And where did my air fry basket go? All right, I'm just gonna put them into my air fry basket here. They're pretty evenly placed in my air fry basket. And I'm going to place it into my air fryer and I want to spray it with just a little bit of, this is olive oil spray. And then those will not even take 10 minutes. I'm gonna guess 8 minutes is about what they're gonna need. And while they cook, I'm gonna make the sauce, the other fabulous element of these fish tacos. The sauce is so super simple, and it's basically equal parts mayo and sour cream. So in goes my mayo. I'm gonna roughly guess about 2 tablespoons of each for the quantity that I'm gonna make of these fish tacos. If you've got a big family, you're gonna wanna quadruple this also, and it keeps nicely in your fridge. And this is actually a plant-based sour cream. I'm lactose intolerant, so Elmhurst has great plant-based alternatives for dairy products. I'm gonna give that just a little mix, and then any kind of spice you want. I have gochujang here, which is a fermented Vietnamese chili paste. I love gochujang. It's kind of like smoky and mysterious all at the same time. A wee bit of salt, and I'm gonna mix that in. And then I want this a bit runny. I want to add also in just a tiny bit of honey. Just with the spicy and the sweet, it's so good. And then lime. Lime is what's going to give it more of a drizzling consistency, and I'm just going to add lime until I get the consistency that I want. Lime and fish tacos, man, they go good together. All right, let's give that a mix and see where we're at. Ooh, that's about right. Perfect. You can see the consistency there. It's just great, great, great. Drizzly, that's what I want. I want drizzly. And, perfect. If you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We love to hear from you, and it really helps out our channel. That took no time at all. And I warmed up some tortillas, and you wrap them up and you keep them warm. They're just so tasty. So the drill is make the tacos up however you want to make them up. These are like mini tortillas, little street taco sized tortillas. You can use whatever tortillas you want, corn tortillas if you want, and then you load them up with some green. I wish I had some cabbage. I didn't. I love purple cabbage actually for tacos, but I'm gonna go with some arugula, and then you want to see this. These beautiful bits, whoop, making a mess, but these beautiful bits of crispy fish are just delicious. Okay. And then I'm gonna load my taco up with as much of this as I can fit. I think 3 is gonna be about, 3 little chunks is about gonna be the max on this size taco, which is fine. And then you drizzle it with the sauce. Oh yeah. That's a glorious bite right there. Okay. I do want to squeeze a lime because I just love lime on my fish tacos. And I also would like some hearty cilantro. Pick off a few sprigs. I like a lot of cilantro. I know some people are not cilantro fans. I could eat it as a salad green and frequently do. All right, let's see if I can get everything in a bite. Mmm. Wow. That mahi is super moist and flavorful. And then you top it all off with the sauce. This is just a fabulous fish taco. And so quick, it came together so quickly. You can make a little taco bar. Your family can make them up however they want, but they're gonna love these. So delicious. Check out the easy recipe. It's on tkfoodie.com, and I will link below because we do have other taco recipes that are perfect. So check out the link below for some more taco recipes on tkfoodie.com. Oh yeah.